Hey there, I'm Marie Lally.
And I'm Tony Valeri.
And we're realtors with O'Brien Realty in Southern Maryland. It is that time of year where the plant nurseries and garden centers are getting in truckloads of stock. It really is my favorite time of year, as I love plants and flowers. Lucky for me, Cream of the Crop, a plant nursery right here in Charlotte Hall, is close by to my home and office. They're open 7 days per week, and I take full advantage of their proximity and hours. I do visit frequently. Cream of the Crop offers healthy plants at really good prices. This is a smaller nursery, however, they do carry a good variety of plants, some I've never seen elsewhere. The plants I like most, roses and hydrangea, are offered in more varieties here than in the larger garden centers. They have drift roses, knockouts, and a variety of floribunda roses like the hard-to-find Julia Child rose. They also have some hybrid tea roses as well as grandifloras. Not only do they carry the more recent hydrangea varieties like Little Limelight, but also a good selection of the more traditional big leaf hydrangea, some mopheads, others lacecap. The prices are really good, especially on the 7-gallon containers of hydrangea. If you're looking for perennials, Cream of the Crop offers a good variety at affordable prices. They have coral bells, astilbe, blue fescue, yucca, the beautiful hardy Lord Baltimore perennial hibiscus, creeping jenny, tall phlox, just to name a few. Cream of the Crop offers various evergreens and shrubs, some upright types like arborvitae, and some rounder types, possibly like boxwood or holly. It looks like there are also various ornamental trees available for sale too. One of my favorite plants, though I don't have them planted in my garden, is Nandina. Cream of the Crop offers about 3 different varieties, some of the smaller varieties and some of the taller varieties. Another plant that I really like is spiraea because of the brilliant leaf colors and the huge range of colors from different varieties. Cream of the Crop carries 2 of my favorites, Double Play Doozy and Double Play Candy Corn. Cream of the Crop also carries King's Gold Cypress, which is such a cute mop of a plant. They also have beautiful staple shrubs like traditional azalea in full bloom and much more. You should visit Cream of the Crop Nursery and support this local small business. It is an open-air plant nursery and is not crowded like the big box stores. The owner is almost always there, and he is friendly and very knowledgeable about plants, where to plant them, and how to care for them. Cream of the Crop Nursery is located at 29940 Three Notch Road in Charlotte Hall and is located in the Charlotte Hall Shopping Center just north of the Farmers Market and behind Hooks and Hangers and Easywash. Tony and I enjoy gardening and frequent garden centers and plant nurseries. We enjoy shopping at Cream of the Crop Nursery, and we think you will too.